back with week 19 of GoMining's Miner Wars. We're running a little late on this week. I was at my girlfriend's place for the past 2 days, so I was not able to record, unfortunately. But luckily enough, we got a personal reward this week, so we got some extra GMT, as you can see up here. But first, the Bitcoin payout. Our total Bitcoin is 0.0198324.7, and at current rates, that comes out to $1,605.47. I think we're finally going into bear season, but that's okay. That's perfectly okay. That means it's time to buy. It is time to buy. Our pool reward was $33.95. Our total reward was $33.95 because, of course, we paid our electricity and service fees with our GMT. Always do that. Nice to do that. You get a nice little extra discount. Why not? Be smart with it. 4.5% discount. It would have been higher, but I did take out like 350 GMT, sent it to my MetaMask because I was going to use it for something. Didn't end up using it, and then I sent it back. But I would have got maybe a 5.5%, maybe 6.5% discount, but oh well. It is what it is. I got 329.90 GMT from a personal block last cycle, which comes out to around $140.67 at current rates. Not too bad. Not too bad. And don't forget to join our Discord. This is where we hold our giveaways for our Bitcoin miners. But make sure that you are in the clan if you want to participate in the giveaways. You don't have to be in the clan to join the Discord. You can always talk down here to where we talk about stocks, trading, liquidity providing, airdrop farming, and a bunch of other stuff. If you haven't signed up for GoMining yet, make sure to do that. A referral link will be down in the description. If you do have a GoMining account and would like to participate in Miner Wars, feel free to join the clan. We are above 2,500 terahash, which means next week I will make an announcement in the Discord about a new giveaway for these two miners. So my total ROI so far is 67.68%. My total investment is $3,791.48 USD because I bought everything using Canadian dollars. The USD and Canadian conversion rate keeps changing, so my investment in USD also keeps changing. But 1% of that equals 37.9148 USD. My total rewards are $2,566.13. That is with the Bitcoin and GMT added together. So to get our ROI percentage, it is 2,566.13 divided by 37.9148, which equals 67.68. But if Bitcoin and GMT can go back to their all-time highs, which they are currently both down about 25% from, then we would be at a 90.05% ROI. That's quite amazing, I would say. So I don't mind a little bit of a bearish season for a bit, accumulate some cheap Bitcoin, and then once it goes back up, boom, that ROI is going to hit 100%. So happy mining to everyone, and remember, join the clan if you haven't already. We're doing a giveaway soon.